If trading is still exciting, kind of like you're going to the casino, then you're still doing it wrong. Let's go deeper. Hey guys, JD here. Man, look at this beautiful setup. I'm probably gonna have to skip. Finally made it to the top for Amazon because it's only at 85%. But let's jump into the thought of the day and why trading needs to be boring. Um, I can remember I can remember the days where I would wake up and I would have this feeling of excitement because it's time to trade again, and then I would have a feeling of fear because it's time to trade again and I could lose money. And now when I wake up, I don't have a feeling of excitement and I don't have a feeling of fear. I'm just going to work. I'm just clocking in because at this point, trading is becoming boring because I'm just doing the same thing every day. I'm looking for the same exact setups, marking the charts up the same exact way, and then wait. And the waiting, of course, is boring. So once you learn how to, once you find your trade and learn how to wait for it, trading becomes mostly waiting until price gets to where you want it to get to until your setup happens. So you end up marking up a chart and then waiting. That's boring. That's boring. The only excitement is actually once you're in the trade. Then, once you're in the trade, that's always exciting, or anxiety, depending on how you take it, once you're in the trade. But if you're just still super excited every day and then you come in and you just jumping at any little movement is a setup, and no, that's not what you want to do. That excitement is an emotion that can get you in trouble. Fear is an emotion that can get you in trouble. Revenge trading is an emotion that can get you in trouble. Trading is an emotional game, and your emotions have to be kept in check at all times. And so you have to put things in place and to protect yourself. Again, when it's come to trading, it's very important that you know thyself and understand what your triggers are, and what'll cause you to break rules and stay out of those situations. But trading should be boring. It shouldn't be exciting. Okay, we might get something here. Yeah, it should not be exciting anymore once you're doing the very exact same thing each and every day and just waiting for setups. That should be boring. Should be boring. You're playing by yourself. You don't got nobody to talk to. Trading should be boring. And once it's boring, you're probably making money, or you're probably winning a lot more than you used to. So if it's still exciting and if there's still fear, that means you probably need a couple things. If it's still fear, you may be risking too much. You may need to reduce your risk. If there's still excitement, you probably haven't narrowed down a strategy. I mean, point blank, this is the only thing we're going to take, and that's it. And so once you narrow down your strategy and you've ran it for a while and it's just working, I mean, after a while the thrill will be gone. But if you have fear, a lot of times that's probably because you're risking too much. But you want to get to the point where trading is boring. You're just coming in, you're just clocking in to do your job for another day. You do your job by following all the rules of your You do your job by following all the rules of your trading strategy and all the rules of your risk management strategy. So you just come in, you do your job, and you go home. Run it as a business, treat it as a business, and it'll treat you as a business. So, hey, make it boring, all right? Never mind. Back to waiting on slow grind pound yen. All right, now we got something interesting going on this pound. We got our trend up, trend break. 1, 2, 3 legs up to a new high. Getting right to our kill zone where we've had 1, 2. This will just be the third touch. We needed to make it all the way though. Make it all the way. Thank you. We got a little ways back to the EMA. It's higher than we want, but it's lower than this one, and it worked. So more importantly, now we do have our pattern though, so I'm not as worried about the EMA being close as normally I would be. But we are at the kill zone. So all we need here is a beautiful signal candle. Maybe we'll finally get a trade today. All right. I like that rejection I just saw. Any rejection off this area, I'm taking it. We still got room back to the EMA. We've had our trend up, trend break, 1, 2, 3 legs up to a new high. We're getting beautiful rejection right off the top of the range, like we did last time. I'm taking this. We are locked and loaded, 10-minute trade. Closing your low, falling hammer. Betrayed me at the last second. All right, I want this candle to push higher first, break higher, then come back and show rejection, okay? Got the break higher. Now we need the rejection. Big red down, close lower than here. Rejection. That was a big attempt to go higher. Y'all saw the rejection in that candle. Coming right back. Nice rejection. Get back in this range. Oh yeah, we got a beauty. Room back to the EMA. Let's call it a day. Closing your bottom. We got a beauty. All right, we're in 10 minutes, room back to the EMA. Hopefully we come down to the bottom of this range. Range fade, 10-minute trade. Oh, I'm just late on taking that in a 5-minute trade. I think I would have took it. But this is the final candle. And this was a nice boring trade. We had to wait. It was boring, but we had the perfect price action. We waited on it. We waited for the beautiful signal candle. Third touch up here, just typically money. And we caught a drop, base drop, really. Great trade. 22 seconds, wrap it up. So again, remember that the course is out. If you need to learn how to read price action, you need to learn how to read a price chart. That is exactly what the course will teach you. And you're not stuck on any particular platform. You can trade futures, Forex, crypto, binary options, all with the same price action strategy. So that's a good win. That'll do it for today. So again, trading should be boring. If it's not, you're not doing it right. So my name is JD. And as always, I wish you increase on the Sutton. Bye-bye.
We would like to thank you for tuning in to another Increase episode with JD. If you want to learn how to price action trade, please visit www.jdhyder.com and you will find his brand new course, IOTS, Price Action Trading System. We thank you again, and as always, we wish you increase on the Sutton.